Do you want your kids to be financially independent? Welcome to our video on mastering financial literacy for kids. We all want the best for our children, and that includes equipping them with the essential life skill of managing money. Starting early is the key to securing their financial future. So, where should we begin? Well, let's introduce the basic concepts of saving, spending, and giving. Imagine a world where your children understand the value of every penny they earn and spend. A world where they have the foresight to save for the future and the heart to give to those in need. This isn't a fairy tale. It's entirely possible with the right guidance. By introducing these simple concepts, you can set the foundation for your child's financial future. And remember, this is not just about money, it's about cultivating a mindset of responsibility, planning, and empathy. So, let's dive in and help our future generations master financial literacy with confidence. How can we make money lessons fun and interactive for our kids? Well, I'm glad you asked, because today we're going to delve into some fantastic strategies to make financial literacy an enjoyable journey for our young ones. To begin with, let's talk about games. There are countless board games and online games that teach kids about earning, saving, and spending money. Games like Monopoly or The Game of Life are not only entertaining, but also offer practical lessons about managing finances. They provide a safe environment for children to make financial decisions and learn from their mistakes. Next, consider using apps. In this digital age, there are numerous educational apps designed to make learning about money fun and easy. These apps often use interactive activities and challenges to teach kids about saving, budgeting, and investing. They turn abstract financial concepts into tangible, understandable tasks. But it's not all about screens. Real-life examples are equally important in teaching kids the value of money. Let your kids play store at home, where they can buy and sell items. This seemingly simple game can teach them about pricing, spending, and making change. Another great idea is setting up a lemonade stand or a bake sale. This real-world experience can help them understand earning money and the cost of goods. Encourage your kids to save a portion of their earnings from these activities. Show them how their money can grow over time in a piggy bank or a savings account. This tangible demonstration of interest can be a powerful motivator for them to save. Finally, introduce the concept of financial goals. Whether it's saving for a toy or a trip, help them create a plan to reach their target. This not only teaches them about saving and budgeting, but also about patience and delayed gratification. Remember, the key is to make learning about money fun and practical. By turning these lessons into enjoyable activities, you are setting your kids up for a lifetime of financial success. Start early, keep it interactive, and watch them master financial literacy with confidence. Now, how can we encourage our kids to save? Well, the journey to financial literacy is not complete without understanding the importance of saving. Let's imagine a scenario where your child receives an allowance or earns some money from a little venture. Maybe they've been helping with chores, or they've set up a brilliant lemonade stand. Now, instead of spending it all at once, encourage them to save a portion. This could be in a classic piggy bank, or, for a more grown-up feel, a savings account. The act of saving money is a lesson in self-discipline and delayed gratification. It's about understanding that immediate pleasure can sometimes be sacrificed for greater benefits in the future. The idea is to instill a sense of responsibility and foresight. Now, let's take it a step further. Show them how their money can grow over time with interest. This is where the magic happens. Explain to them that banks and other financial institutions can pay them extra money, called interest, just for keeping their money with them. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. The seed is their initial savings, and the growing tree represents the compound interest. This might seem like a complex concept for a child to grasp, but fear not. There are plenty of resources available, like interactive apps and games, that can simplify and illustrate these principles in a fun and engaging way. Remember, the key is to make learning about money exciting and relatable to their world. And of course, it's important to lead by example. Show them how you save and grow your own money. Your actions can serve as a powerful model for them to emulate. So the next time they have some money at hand, guide them to set aside a portion for saving. Over time, they will see their money grow and understand that saving is not just about stashing money away. It's about planning for the future, making smart decisions, and understanding how money works. Saving is not just about putting money aside, it's about understanding how money grows over time. Let's give our kids the tools they need to become financially literate adults. After all, our future depends on it. What's the next step? Setting financial goals. Now that we've covered the basics of saving, it's time to take it up a notch. While saving is a critical part of financial literacy, it's even more effective when we have a purpose or a goal in mind. Imagine for a moment you're embarking on a journey. You wouldn't start without knowing your destination, would you? It's the same with financial management. Having a financial goal is like having a destination on your financial journey. Teaching kids to set financial goals can be an exciting adventure. It could be as simple as saving up for a new toy, a book, or a much-anticipated family trip. The key here is to make the goal something tangible and relatable to them, something they genuinely want or care about. Once the goal has been identified, the next step is to create a plan to reach it. This is where you can reinforce the concepts of saving and earning. Break down the total amount needed for the goal into manageable chunks. If they want to save for a toy that costs £20 and they receive a weekly allowance of £5, it means they would need to save for 4 weeks to reach their goal. Through this process, kids learn the value of delayed gratification. They understand that they might have to forego immediate pleasures for larger rewards in the future. It's a lesson that will serve them well in their financial journey as they grow older. Setting financial goals also instills a sense of responsibility and ownership. It's their goal, and they're responsible for making it happen. They learn to make choices and decisions that align with their goals. Remember, the goal here is not just about reaching the end target. It's about the journey, the lessons learned, and the habits formed along the way. It's about teaching kids that they have the power to control their financial future. Financial goals give kids a sense of purpose and direction when it comes to managing their money. And that, dear friends, is a priceless lesson that will set them up for a lifetime of financial success. And finally, we introduce the concept of budgeting. Now, budgeting might seem a tad serious for children, but it's all about making it relatable and engaging. Picture this: your child gets an allowance, or perhaps earns a little something from a lemonade stand. Let's encourage them to keep track of what they earn and what they spend. You might be thinking, why do they need to do this? Well, it's simple. By tracking their income and expenses, children begin to grasp the importance of living within their means. It's about understanding that if they want that new toy or game, they might need to save, or choose between one thing and another. It's about making informed decisions. Do they want to spend all their money now, or save some for later? These are the building blocks of financial literacy. Budgeting is a crucial skill that will help your kids understand the value of money and the importance of making smart financial decisions. So that's how you can make money lessons fun and easy for your kids. We've delved into the importance of introducing the basics: saving, spending, and giving. We've explored the fun side of learning, using games, apps, and real-life scenarios to bring these concepts to life. We've underscored the value of saving, be it in a piggy bank or a savings account, and the magic of how money grows over time with interest. We've emphasized the need to set financial goals and the joy of working towards them. And we've walked through the fundamentals of budgeting, understanding the significance of living within one's means. Remember, by making these lessons enjoyable and straightforward, we are setting our children on the path to a lifetime of financial success. It's essential to start early and keep it simple. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Together, we can set our kids up for a lifetime of financial success.